How's it going? I'm Chan, your Korean teacher for today. Last time, we talked about the history of Hangul. And remember, Hangul is like Lego. So today, let's build our very first Lego pieces, the vowels. Now you might wonder, why are we starting with vowels first? Well, in Korea, vowels are the heart of every word. Without vowels, you can't really make a sound. Think about English. You have vowels too. A, E, I, O, U. Imagine trying to speak English without them. Cat without A, dog without O. It just doesn't work. That's why we start with vowels. They are the sound engines of Korean words. Alright, here they are. The 10 vowels in Korean are A, Ya, O, Yo, O, Yo, U, U, I. Let's read them all together. A, Ya, O, Yo, O, Yo, U, U, I. You notice something? They come in families. First family, A and Ya. At the right, and A becomes Ya. Second family, O and Yo. Same thing. At the right, O becomes Yo. The third family, O and Yo. First family, U and U. And the two learners, U and I. So basically, at the right, baby brother with a Y sound. Let's try each one. Repeat after me. Ah. Open your mouth wide, like the doctor says. Ah, ah, ah. And Ya. And the Y. And the Y. Ya, ya. And O. Oh, like when you mess up. Awkward. Not It's O. O is correct. And Yo. Yo at the right. O at the Y. Yo. 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 And O. O is round ribs, like you just saw free pizza. O is free pizza. It's O. O. Like O is correct. And Yo. Yo, like saying hi to your friends. Yo, what's up, my friend? No. Yo is correct. And ooh, just like lips forward, like blowing a kiss. Ooh, not just ooh is correct. And you just like YouTube, just YouTube, YouTube, you. And like you're annoyed. I'm annoyed. And I is easy. Just smile and say I. It's I. Correct. Now, let's try some real Korean words. O means 5. So if someone counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, the O, this is O. 1, 2, 3, 4, O. O means 5. And I means tooth. Tooth. I means tooth. When you smile, you can see your I. And if you put them together, O plus I, which means OI. This cucumber. So see? With just vowels, you can already talk about numbers, body parts, and food. One more time, let's say them all together. A, Ya, O, Yo, O, Yo, U, U, I. Great job, everyone. Today, you learned the 10 vowels of Korean. Next time, we'll meet the consonants, and finally, Lego words will start to combine. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice every day. Alright then, see ya. See you next time. Bye guys.